Okay, so for number 14, I would try to just do direct substitution. So just plug in 0 for x. So if you do that, you'll get the square root of 4, so 2 minus 2 over 0. So you get 0 over 0. So that's called indeterminate form. So because we have indeterminate form, we can use L'Hopital's rule. Okay, so this is really 4 plus x to the 1/2. So L'Hopital's rule says you're going to find the derivative of the numerator. So I'm going to use the chain rule for the 4 plus x to the 1/2. So 1/2 times 1 out front will be 1/2 times 4 plus x to the negative 1/2 times the derivative of the inside, which is just 1. And then, sorry about that. And then the derivative of negative 2 would just be 0. Okay, so then the derivative of the denominator is 1. So it'll look like that. So if you want to simplify before you plug in, this one and this one could cancel. We really just have 1 over 2, the square root of 4 plus x. So now we can do direct substitution and plug in 0. Which will give us 1 over 2 times 2, which will give us 1/4, which was answer choice B.